Hello and welcome to another video. These are now hard questions for linear and quadratic systems. Let's start solving. It says y equals to 2x plus 2y minus 5 and x square minus 15x plus y equals to minus 25. Okay, what are the sums to the solutions of the given system? Let's start solving this simultaneously. Y is the subject here? No, y is not the subject here. If I move everything to one side, so I get y equals to 5 minus 2x. So x square minus 15x plus 5 minus 2x plus 25 equals to 0. X square minus 17x plus 30 equals to 0. So 15 and 2. So when x is 15, y is minus 25, and 1. So 2 and 1 give me 3, and 15 and minus 25 give me minus 10. Okay, that's another question then. It says consider the system of equations this. If x equals to 1 satisfies the quadratic equation, then evaluate the value of the constant a and find the solution to the system other than at x equals to 1. So I'm going to first solve for x equals to 1 and I get a equals to 5 plus y. 1 square plus y is 7 times 1 plus 2y plus minus 7. So 5 minus 7 should give me minus 2. So again, minus 2x plus y equals to 5 plus 2y. And I get minus y equals to 5 plus 2x. So y equals to minus 5 minus 2x. Let's substitute y in the other equation now. Minus 10 minus 4x plus 1. 3x minus 9. X squared minus 5x plus 4. So x equals to 1 and x equals to 4. When x equals to 4, y equals to minus 13, I think. That is the correct answer. It's a long question. It says a quadratic equation is given with the sum of roots as 5 and the product of roots as 6. Also, if a linear equation is represented in the form 2y, then what is the solution xy, where y is obtained by using the x values from the quadratic equation to the linear equation. Okay, that's a tough question. It says a quadratic equation is given with the sum of the roots as 5 and the product of roots as 6. Okay. Also, if a linear equation is represented in the form 2y equals to 3x minus 6, then what is the solution xy where y is obtained by using the x values from the quadratic equation to the linear equation? So I'm solving simultaneously, and then I want the roots of the equation. Now, since I don't have this quadratic, I will have to first construct a quadratic that has a sum of roots as 5 and the product of roots as 6. So product of roots uh, as 6. So they have to be either 6 into 1 or 2 into 3. I think that's the only one that fits, or it can't be -2 and -3. So I think the roots will be -2 and -3. That works. I've recreated my quadratic expression equation from here. Let's see if that works for me. Okay, now I'm going to substitute. Uh, okay, so the answer could either be 2 or 3. So 2 and 3. Now I need to make sure my y values are correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my x values and say that one of the values is 0, of course. And what's the other value? That's 3. 3 y equals to 3 over 2. Yep, that's the correct answer then. Okay, moving on to the next one. It says in the system of equations this, where d is a constant, the graphs intersect at exactly 1 point. So that means one real root. Okay, so let's just substitute. I'm going to use the other equation here and then try to solve this. So I get 3x squared plus 7x plus 50 plus 5x minus 2. So b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. So 144 minus 4 times 3 times 15 minus 2. 600 plus 12 here. 456. 38. Okay, so d is 38. What is the value of x? Now I need to find the intersection point. So I'm going to again pick up this equation. I'm going to reduce that and see if I can get the correct answer. That's -2. Yeah. Okay. These questions are long enough. Let's do this one. Okay, then which of the following is the solution to these equations? So I'll have to solve that x squared plus 3x equals to 2x minus 5 plus y. Let's bring out a substitution for y from the other one. Okay, so 2y equals to 5x plus 12 and y equals to 5x plus 12 divided by 2. So x squared plus x plus 5 equals to 5x plus 12 divided by 2. So 2x squared plus 2x plus 10, 5x plus 12, 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Solve that quickly on our calculators. 2 minus half. Okay, so both are answer options. I'll have to do the y as well. So y is 5 times 2 plus 12 divided by 2. That's about 22 divided by 2. That should be 11. No, that's not working out. Let's check if the other one works out. Nineteen over 4. I'm not sure if I have the signs correct here. I will have to verify if I've done everything correct. X squared plus 3x equals to 2x minus 5 plus y. And then 2y minus x equals to 5x plus 6, 5x plus 12, so 5x plus 12. I'm not sure if I've done something wrong. Let's check first and then give me an answer. So that's fine. I substituted fine. Okay, that's what I'm getting as well. 2n minus half. 2 I get 11 and minus half and 19 over 4 and 2 and 11. 2 and 11. Okay, that was there as an answer option. I should have picked that first. Okay, the next set of 5 questions consider the system of equations. This and the linear equation in the slope and intercept form with the slope 3, y-intercept is minus 3, then which of the following is a solution to this system of equations? It's x squared minus y. And there's another equation with 3x minus 3. Okay, so x squared minus 3x plus 3 equals to minus 6x plus 7. X squared plus 3x minus 4. So x equals to minus 4 or 1. Okay, what are the y values then? 0, 1 and 0 is one solution, so 3. And okay, so 1 and 3. Next one, it says consider a system of equations. This and a linear equation, the slope intercept form with slope as 6, y-intercept as 8. Then which of the following is the solution of the system's curve? X squared minus 8x minus 9. So 9 and 1, and then minus 1. What do I have when I have 6 times minus 54? So that's 62. And 6 times minus 1 plus 8. That's 2. So minus 1 and 2 and 9 comma 62. Question number 3, a linear equation is this. Which of the following is a solution to the system above? Y equals to 5 minus x. I think I should just net this first and then sort of cross multiply. So 10 minus 3x equals to 3 over x. So 10x minus 3x squared equals to 3. 3x squared minus 10x plus 3. Let's solve that on our calculator. Three and 1 over 3. 3 comma 2. And for a positive value of x. Okay, my best way of doing this is to first simplify these equations. Y equals to 2x plus 6. So 2x plus 6. 0 equals to 2x squared plus x minus 6. So let's solve for 2 plus 1 and minus 6. Let's see if we get the correct answer. 3 over 2 and minus 2. So I just want the positive value of x. So 9. So 3 over 2 divided by 9 gives me okay, that's not an answer option. Let's see what we've done wrong. 2x squared plus 13x equals to y, and 2x plus 10, y plus 4, y equals to 2x plus 10, 2x squared x, this is 13. How did it become 3? That's the mistake. So I have 11x. So my values for x are also wrong. 2, 11, and minus 6. Half and minus 6. It's 7. So half divided by 7 will give me 1 over 14. Last question for the hard questions. Let's try to solve this quickly. Although it's a very long question, so I'm going to have to be careful when I'm solving this as well. Y equals to x minus 2. So 1 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 1 equals to y minus x plus 3 minus 6 over x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay, so let's first take a common denominator on the left-hand side. X plus 1 and x minus 1. So x minus 1, 3x minus 3. Okay. Then I can move this to this side and have a common denominator there as well. So I can do minus 2x minus 4 plus 6, and I have a common denominator x plus 1 and x minus 1. I can replace y with x minus 2, and that is minus x plus 3. So these x's cancel out. I have 1 here that gets cross multiplied with x minus 1 and x plus 1. And I have 2 minus 2x here. So 2 minus 2x equals to x squared minus 1. X squared plus 2x minus 3. Minus 3 and plus 1. Y equals to minus 5 and y equals to minus 1. 15 and minus 1. Yeah, I think that should work. I think that is the end of the hard questions as well. I will see you with another video in the next session. Thank you for watching.